We're at Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We're going to go on the Mexican Fiesta and Lunch.
So here in Mexico, they actually have guys waiting at the gas pump to put gas in for you.
Sculptures.
Once you get to the boardwalk, you'll see a boy on a seahorse. That symbolizes the city's connection to sea youth and the welcoming spirit. The 7th annual book expo is going on at Puerto Vallarta in the main square while we were there. Since my Spanish is terrible, I'll just skip over the Spanish name, but this building is known as the Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe. One thing about this spot is that it's open to the public and you're actually allowed to take pictures and videos inside. You can just walk right in, take your time, and get whatever footage you want. Just don't get left behind on your tour. It's hard to see from the video, but that's about a 3-foot drop on that curb, so you better be paying attention. Once you're done checking out the boardwalk and the church, you jump back onto the tour bus, and that tour bus will make a standard stop at a gift shop. Michelle loves them, I'm just not a fan, so I decided to skip out. Walked outside, get some air. I look up and you gotta see this like electrical wiring. How the power stays on there is like a total mystery in my opinion. Once we made it back onto our tour bus, we ended up passing the Vallarta, which is the shopping mall in Puerto Vallarta. And then we went through some of the poverty areas in Mexico, and as well as what the tour guide called the Mexican timeshare, also known as their prison. And after driving for I'd say a half hour, we finally made it to our Mexican Fiesta and Lunch. But of course you get drugged through the gift shops first.
Our line for lunch is on the left side.
Which one do you want? Okay.
Since I eat like a toddler, the lunch selection was slim pickings for me, but the wife found something that she would eat. During lunch, they started the dancing festivities. And then this guy came out, he's like the Harlem Globetrotters of rope spinning. The dancing went on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you ever wanted to see what a dancing horse looked like, there you go. Once all the Mexican food is gone, you wait in line to go to the bathroom. So I guess it's not the bathroom line, it's actually the line to go to the tequila tasting, and they're just talking about how they make their tequila. And then once my wife was hammered on tequila, they sent her loose in the gift shop. But I kept an eye on her, so she couldn't really buy much. In my opinion, this is probably, in my personal opinion, on the 3 excursions we did on this cruise, this one is my least favorite. But if you like walking and riding in a bus, this is for you. Out of the 3 excursions that we did, I thought the red truck toward Mazatlan was the best. If you'd like to check out the Norwegian Bliss that we went on to go on these excursions, click here. Thanks for watching.